In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and start using Microsoft Copilot on your Android device. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring you can get started quickly and effortlessly. So let's get right into it. First, pick up your Android device and locate the Google Play Store. This is the digital marketplace where you'll find a vast array of apps available for download. Simply tap on the Play Store icon to open it. Once you're in, you'll see a search bar at the top of the screen. Tap on that to bring up your keyboard and type in Microsoft Copilot. As you type, you may notice suggestions popping up beneath the search bar. This can help you find what you're looking for even faster. Go ahead and select the suggestion or finish typing to conduct your search. Now you'll see a list of results. What you're looking for is the official Microsoft Copilot app. This will be the one with Microsoft's logo, and usually it's displayed towards the top of the results. To make sure you're downloading the authentic application, check for Microsoft as the developer. Next, simply tap on the app that matches this description. This will direct you to the app's detail page, where you'll find more information about what the app can do, user reviews, and some screenshots. Here, you should see a button labeled Install. Give that a tap. Your device will now begin downloading the app. This could take a few moments depending on your internet connection speed. It's a good moment to remind you that keeping a stable internet connection is crucial for a smooth download process. Once the app has finished downloading, you'll notice the Install button changes to Open. Tap this button to launch Microsoft Copilot for the first time. Upon opening it, you'll be prompted to log in with your Microsoft account. This is essential as it allows the app to connect to your existing settings and customize your experience. If you don't have a Microsoft account yet, you can follow the on-screen prompts to create one quickly. Remember to have your login details ready and ensure they're entered correctly to avoid any login issues. Once you've successfully logged in, you're all set. Microsoft Copilot is now ready for you to explore on your mobile device. Begin by familiarizing yourself with its features and enjoy the seamless integration it offers into your daily productivity. And that's it. You've successfully installed and logged into Microsoft Copilot. Feel free to dive deeper into the app and take full advantage of its capabilities. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.